Have you ever wondered how something completely free, like Credit Karma, actually keeps the lights on? It seems almost too good to be true, right? Free credit scores, credit monitoring, even tax prep. What's the catch? The answer, like most things in the financial world, boils down to clever business models. Credit Karma isn't handing out freebies out of the kindness of their hearts, although free financial tools are pretty darn kind. They've actually built a system that benefits both them and their users, creating a win-win situation. So, how exactly does Credit Karma make money? Buckle up, because it's a two-pronged approach. The power of targeted recommendations. The first, and probably biggest, moneymaker for Credit Karma is through affiliate marketing. Let's break that down. Imagine Credit Karma as a super smart financial advisor who knows your credit score, spending habits, and financial goals inside out. Based on this intel, they can recommend specific credit cards, loans, or insurance products that might be a good fit for you. Here's the key. Whenever you click on one of these recommendations and end up applying and getting approved for that product, Credit Karma gets a commission from the lender or issuer. It's like a finder's fee for matching you with the right financial product. Now, Credit Karma emphasizes that these recommendations are tailored to your needs, not just the highest bidder. They have a vested interest in building trust with you, so they shouldn't be steering you towards things that won't benefit you in the long run. The allure of targeted advertising. The second moneymaker for Credit Karma is a bit more subtle, targeted advertising. Remember all those ads you see popping up on websites and apps? Credit Karma uses that same strategy, but with a twist. Because they have a mountain of data on your financial situation, they can serve you ads that are incredibly relevant. Think about it. You're on Credit Karma checking your credit score, and then BAM. You see an ad for a credit card with a great introductory offer, perfectly suited for your creditworthiness. Those odds are no coincidence. This targeted advertising is much more effective for both Credit Karma and the advertisers, leading to higher click-through rates and more revenue. Is there a downside? There's always a chance that a company with free services might be nudging you towards products that benefit them more than you. It's important to be mindful of that and do your own research before diving into any financial product. Here are some tips. Don't rely solely on Credit Karma's recommendations. Shop around and compare offers from different lenders or insurers. Read the fine print of any financial product before you apply. Understand the interest rates, fees, and terms before you commit. Don't get pressured into applying for something you don't need. Just because Credit Karma suggests it doesn't mean it's the right move for you. Credit Karma, a tool, not a magic wand. Ultimately, Credit Karma is a valuable tool. It can help you monitor your credit score, identify potential errors, and even find some good financial product options. But remember, it's just a tool. You're still in the driver's seat when it comes to your financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.